This is the corn we planted in June, in mid-June. And now it's dry enough to harvest. We haven't had a corn harvest in, I think, 4 years. Oh, I mean, because we haven't planted corn like this in 4 years. Feels good. So this is what we came up with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 feed bags. I know it's not a standard measure, but we're gonna set them out to dry now, so you'll get a better sense. So these are the 7 bags of the corn, kind of laid out here as best we can. We're just gonna wait for them to dry a bit more, and then shell them, I think is what you call them. And they all look kind of good. This is where the little mice or the crows took their little chunk of the harvest, which is fine to share. And yeah, this is what a full one looks like. So it's been a few days since we last showed you the corn, and it dried a little bit, but we really just got to it to just take the husk off, so the corn can dry, and then so we can shell it, so we can take it off the cob. It's nice if it's really dry because it'll pop off just easier. So yeah, we're pretty excited that this, yeah, we did better than our last corn crop. In that, yeah, these look like proper full-size corn. Last time we grew corn, and we got stuff like this mostly. So you see us just using a stick to open the husk, and then you just finish ripping it up with ripping it open with your hands. So we're starting the shelling process of our corn here, our June corn, and oops, it's flying everywhere. This is for seed, so we're manually taking off a little bit of both ends, and that'll leave all the kernels that are same in size and dimensions, and that supposedly makes the corn sprout more evenly when you plant it the next time around. So I've actually never had the time to do this before. We usually just like strip the whole corn and then use all that as seed. So this is the first time we're actually doing this, and we're doing this with these little thingamajigs. And no, but these have seed on them still. These have seed. Very good, Samuel. Oh my God. Here, I'm going to give you something. Here, I'm going to give you something. This, hold it with your hand. Go like that. Go like that. There you go. all done. So we're grinding our corn in our bike machine, and this is going to be one of 3 grindings that we do. And this is so we can have our tortillas. We're going to make them into tortillas and have them with our soup broth thing for the next couple of days.
So we're making tortillas right now. Yay!
It's usually a team effort, which it is right now. It's just that one of us is on the camera.
Normally I do that.
And we're trying a bit of a different setup with our rocket J-tube here. Did I flip this twice already? Yes, I did.
And we have it in here. A little bit too much.
Done.